Let's show you how an outdoor kitchen can be transformed into an entertainment space for family and friends to enjoy their time together. For an outdoor kitchen, natural stones must be selected carefully to determine durability towards weather and direct sunlight. The perfect outdoor kitchen countertop can be chosen from our wide selection of natural stones from one of our warehouses. An elegant Pretoria brushed granite is being installed for this outdoor kitchen. For the safety of the stone and the installers, our team uses a no-lift equipment to carry the stone to the job site. Before beginning installation, our team makes sure that all the edges and all the surfaces of the cabinets are even and leveled. This is to ensure the countertop sits perfectly on the cabinets. The installers place the stone on the leveled space and secure the countertop. The installer cleans the edges of the first countertop piece for the second piece to fit in place. After the second piece is placed, they try to match the two pieces perfectly so they can create a perfect seam between the two. To achieve a perfect seam, everything must be aligned properly using wooden shims. The wooden shims help with the leveling of the countertop pieces. Our installer proceeds to mix the right color combination to make the countertop pieces align seamlessly. Before beginning the installation for the backsplash, the installers create the cuts for the required electric outlets where the backsplash is going to be placed. The installers now slide the backsplash using the wooden shims as support, and then ensure that the backsplash fits perfectly on the countertop, including edges and corners. Now it's time to bring the island piece in. Before they place the island, they have to make sure all the sides are cut to make an even surface. This island is going to have high bar brackets, which is known for extra support when there is an extra overhang required. First, the installers measure all the sides to assess how many high bar brackets the island needs. The high bar brackets are then arranged for the last stone piece to sit perfectly on the island. Now the installers bring the island piece very carefully because it's one of the heaviest pieces in this project. Once the island countertop has been placed, the installer ensures that all sides of the island have an equal overhang, and then it's glued together with the cabinets. The final part is to install the sink for the countertop. For the sink to be placed, the installer drills the faucet hole for the sink, and then has to make sure the sink fits into the sink cutout. Since the sink cutout needs some adjustments for a better fit, the installer proceeds to make the necessary adjustments. After the adjustments are made to the sink cutout, the sink is glued in and then placed inside the countertop. Our team now cleans all the installed countertops with acetone and conducts a final inspection of the job site to make sure all final touch-ups are done. This outdoor kitchen countertop installation is now complete. The family is now ready to use it as an entertainment space. To watch more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel.